In olive oil, I've poured loads of garlic, chili flakes, oregano. Now I'll introduce some rosemary, thyme, and mixed Italian herbs. So the herbs I've used are from Kia. I've washed these mushrooms. I'm going to chop them and introduce them to my wok. Also, make sure you have enough olive oil so that your garlic and mushroom get sauteed properly. So this is one of the easiest dishes that you can make in case you are craving for some Italian, and very easy to make, and you can have it with your family, your boyfriend, your husband. So here I'm mixing the mushroom with garlic and olive oil. Later in the video, I'll also add some butter, salt, fresh cream, and black pepper. There is not a lot that you need to add for this recipe. In this recipe, a very few basic Italian herbs that you need. So now I'm going to add some butter, Amul fresh cream, some black pepper, spaghetti, some salt, and now some black pepper. Mix, mix, mix. In case you like it more spicy, you can add chili flakes, and yeah, that's all. Do try this recipe at home and let me know how it tastes. Good luck. Bye.